I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must start by ensuring your Azure subscription is active and you have contributor permissions. Once done, enable Azure Latch and note the resource group and Latch instance name. Now open Cloud Shell or a local Azure CLI session and authenticate with Az login. Next, set the target subscription with Az account set subscription, name or ID. This prepares your environment. Make sure the Latch instance shows healthy before proceeding to change modes. You will fetch the current configuration using Az Latch show resource group rgname latch so you can compare settings. Once you see the config, update the mode field to header in your JSON or use Az Latch update resource group rgname latch set properties. Mode equals header. Make sure to validate dependent fields like header schema and routing rules. Misalignment can break parsing. After applying, wait for the operation to return success and inspect the updated config. Now you validate by sending test payloads that include the expected header fields. Use curl or postman to simulate traffic. Monitor Azure Monitor logs and diagnostic streams to confirm headers are parsed and routed correctly. If something fails, revert to the prior mode or patch header schema to match incoming formats. Often mismatched field names cause errors. One key troubleshooting tip: if parsing errors persist, enable verbose diagnostics and inspect the raw request header.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.